Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Zulhair Rubin, and today I will present to you about AGIS under subject Environmental Information System.
Module 1 Introduction to AGIS. So, there are three main objectives of AGIS, which is to understand fundamental GIS using AGIS, to familiarize component in AGIS, and also to recognize geospatial data. So, there are three types of interface, which is main mapping application that function to create map, query attribute, analyze spatial relationship, and also layout final project. The second is organize spatial data that function to search, preview, and add data to ArcMap, as well as manage metadata and also set up address location service, which is geocoding. And the third application of AGIS desktop. In this case, it can easily access and use within ArcMap and also ArcCatalog. So in this case, function to contain tools of geoprocessing, data conversion, coordinate system, and also projection and more. It also focuses in ArcMap and also ArcCatalog. So arrangement data at ArcCatalog. So first is searching and content. Second is finding and using data at the center of any GIS project. Second is creating a folder connection to the building geodatabase folder. And last it will connect with ArcMap. Feature layer, which is a layer that references a set of features, which is vector data that represent geographic entities as a point, line, and polygon. Besides that, a feature layer's data sources can be a geodatabase feature class, a shapefile, and also ArcInfo coverage, a CAD file, and so on. Layer identification into two different types of vector data, which is polygons and line. So the polygon is used to represent area such as the boundary of a city, which a large scale map, lake, or forest. The second is two-dimensional, used to measure the area and the parameter of geographic feature. And the last is most using either a harmonic mapping, symbolic, which is color scheme, pattern, or in this case, or numeric generation. A color gradation scheme could be used. So the second is line, which is to use represent linear feature. Common example would be river, trail, and streets. Second is one dimension, have a starting and ending point. The last is line types combination using color, line thickness, which is to distinguish arc feature from one to other. Individual feature identification basically contain river, district, state, and road. So the last one is feature and the information from the attribute table. Attribute table contain shape, which is polyline, to show the road in this map.